Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys this absolutely amazing, delicious, so easy to make rum raisin French toast. These are to die for and I can't wait to show you guys how they're done. But before I begin, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like the video for me if you enjoy it. And without further ado, let's jump right in to the recipe. To begin, here's what you need to make this recipe. Please check the description box below for the measurement. So I have my brioche bun here. Everything, like I said, will be in the description box below. Next, you will need some cinnamon and butter. I am using unsalted butter. And also, you will need powdered sugar and a good name brand of syrup. And to garnish, we're using blueberry and raspberry or any fruits that you like on your French toast. And now we have the ice cream. I am using this Rum Raisin flavor ice cream by Haagen-Dazs, my favorite ice cream of all time. Make sure your ice cream is defrost. I'm using about 1 cup of this ice cream, so stay tuned to see how I am going to be using it. So first thing I'm going to be doing is slicing my bread. I like me some thick French toast. Now, if you like them a little thinner, go ahead and cut yours thin. So basically, I'm just going to slice them. Once I'm done, this is what I have, about 5 of them. Now, what I'm going to be doing is crack 3 eggs. Next, I am going to be adding in my cinnamon, and also I'm adding my melted ice cream in there. Give that a quick mix with a whisk. Once everything is well combined, you're going to set that aside. Now I'm going to add my butter to a hot griddle. We're going to take our bread, just dip it into our ice cream mix, just like so. Make sure it's nice and wet, okay? And then you're going to cook this on medium-low heat because you don't want it to burn, okay? So you're going to place it right in there and let it sit until it's nice and golden brown on both sides. Once one side is nice and golden, ooh, look how beautiful it is, y'all. Just flip it over and basically cook the other side. Once you're done, you should have something like this, very nice and beautiful and fluffy. And your house should smell like heaven right now, especially in the morning. The kid's gonna come down and say, "Hey, what you cooking, mom? It smells so good." Okay, that's how good this thing smells. So now I am going to drizzle my syrup right on there. Take my powdered sugar, just sprinkle it all over. And now I'm taking my raspberries, blueberries, just, add them on top of it just to garnish, to make it nice and beautiful. And you have yourself the most 5-star breakfast or brunch. This is amazing, guys. Try it out. I guarantee you will enjoy it, especially for Mother's Day. Make your mom feel special. Make this for your mother, okay? This is it. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment below if you are going to try this out. It was absolutely delicious and so easy to make. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.